Hello guys, welcome to Mercedes Benz King. This is the Mercedes AMG GTR Pro, and in this video I will show you the complete exterior, interior, and you'll listen to the sound. So let's first start with the front of the car. And here you can already see that this is part of the facelift GTR. It has the more aggressive, edgy headlights, just like in the GT 4-door Coupé. Furthermore, it has a lot of carbon fiber, including this front splitter, also in complete carbon fiber, and it is held by those two vertical handles. Furthermore, it also has the aerodynamic package with a gap in both sides. It has the Panamericana grille with the vertical lines, the AMG emblem, and a large Mercedes star in the center. So before we go further, check out my Instagram page, the link is down below. And thanks guys for checking the link. What I really love about this particular GTR Pro is the exterior color. It is called the China Blue. And normally the GTR Pro would distinguish itself from the regular GTR by a stripe from the front all the way to the end. But luckily they didn't check it in the checklist. So this one doesn't have it, and in this way, in my opinion, it looks very aggressive and luxurious. So let me know guys, what do you think in the comment section below? With stripe or without? And the GTR Pro is also very special because of its enhanced aerodynamic package. You can already see the gaps here on the front on both sides, and that is if the air comes through the front bumpers, it will exit here for more downforce. And this is also why it was 7 seconds faster on the Nürburgring compared to the regular GTR. The front of the GTR Pro is almost 2 meters in width, and from the side you can notice the aerodynamic lines here in the front, and the hood is a large proportion of the total length of this vehicle. You can already notice the carbon fiber side skirts, the side mirrors, as well as the roof. It also has the V8 biturbo emblem here on the side with the carbon fiber shape. And what's really special for the GTR Pro is the rims. It comes with these special blacked out brakes, and normally on AMG you would have it in gold, but for the Pro in black. It also has the shadow design, and these are 20 inch. In the rear the size is 325, 30, 20 inch. So let's move over into the rear, and here you can notice a lot of carbon fiber as well as the aerodynamic lines. I really love this tail light with the GTR Pro emblem. There's an amazing spoiler on the trunk, and this way it keeps the weight down. Amazing for on the autobahn and race tracks. We will have a look in the interior in just a moment. Now let's have a look at what is in the trunk. You can open the trunk with a button inside, and there is also an opportunity to open the trunk with your key with this button. Let's pull it up. And it has the cage standard for the GTR Pro. It's race circuit ready. And I have my Mercedes bag right here, and the AMG emblem. Furthermore, a goodie bag of AMG. So let's close it. So let's have a look inside. It has the AMG emblem on the ground and on the doorstep. Lovely seats with the contrast yellow stitching and the AMG lettering. The seat belt also in yellow. And of course it has the cage standard for the GTR Pro. So let's go inside. I will close the door with yellow stitching. Amazing. Let's press the button for the electronics to appear. Here it says AMG. And what has changed for the facelift model is this new steering wheel with touchpads. So if you press the home button, you can swipe to the left and right. So let's go to Styles and Display. Design. Sport. Now you can see the rounds per minute, the V8 bi-turbo emblem, and more. And there's also this V shape, which is still the same design, indicating the V8, because it has 4 cylinders on both sides. You can change the transmission into manual and automatic. Turn off the traction control if you hold the button. This is the start-stop. The aerodynamic lines underneath the vehicle and the exhaust button. It has a new touchpad system. Very intuitive. But it doesn't yet have the MBUX. So I will change the driving characteristics to Sport Plus and let's listen to the sound. I will do the power startup by holding the downshift. Amazing. Let's listen. So you can turn off the traction control by holding this button. And now you can change the 9 different levels. For the race track. It has the Burmester surround sound system, leather interior, AMG emblem of MULTIBEAM, and some storage space. And here you still can start the engine with your key. Just insert it. A lovely large hood with an amazing color. The carbon fiber center console. Over here it has some storage space with 2 cup holders and a USB-C charger for your phone. So let's have a look at what is under the bonnet of this beast. You can see it is a very large hood. Amazing, the AMG emblem. 1 man, 1 engine. So the engine of the GTR Pro is actually the same as in the GTR. They both produce 585 horsepower. You can notice that the engine cover is more in the front, while the actual engine is in the center at the silver design. And that's because they want to keep the weight in the center, so it's better in corners and on the race track. From 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just 3.6 seconds, and the top speed is over 300 kilometers an hour. So let's close the bonnet. And thanks for watching Mercedes Benz, guys. I hope you like this video of the GTR Pro in China Blue, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.